All right, so how do you find stock information? Well, I've gone to the Yahoo webpage, yahoo.com, and then I've gone to finance here. And you can find this information on lots of different pages, but Yahoo is one I prefer, but you can certainly use any financial website that you would like. And up here, you simply enter in the name. Where it says enter symbol, you don't have to know the symbol, even if you just know the name of the company, like let's go Coca-Cola. And as soon as we start to type it in, it comes up with all types of examples. And usually it's the top one, but look at it. It's usually the one that makes the most sense, the Coca-Cola Company. And you want to look and make sure it's on an American stock exchange, either the New York Stock Exchange or the NASDAQ or the American. If it has some of these dotted letters or whatever in it, you want to stay away from those. Those could be bond issues. They could be exchanges on other exchanges throughout the world, but we want to stay in the United States. And so KO would be our ticker symbol, and we simply click on that for Coca-Cola, and here is our information. So right now this stock, the most recent stock trade was $39.22, and then we see all kinds of other information down here. What it closed at the day before, what it opened at. Don't worry about the bid and the ask. The bid is how much somebody's offering to buy it for, and here's what somebody is asking to sell it for. And you can see that the actual price is $39.22. So right now there's 1,000, actually it's probably more than that. We probably have to add 3 zeros. So there's probably 1 million people wanting to buy that, or 1 million shares wanting to be bought at $39.10. And there's probably 700,000 shares that somebody's willing to sell for $39.75. Let's see, you don't need to worry about these other numbers. The days range, that's what it's been at today. 52-week range, what it's been in the last year, the highest and the lowest. You can see it's trading a little closer to its high. This is how many shares have been bought and sold in the day, during the day. And then this is how many it's averaged over the last 3 months. So on average, basically 15 million shares of Coca-Cola are exchanged on a daily basis. And these are not between a person and the company. They're usually person to person, somebody who's already bought the stock from somebody who's bought the stock from somebody who's bought the stock. And then you can see if they sold all of these shares, all the shares there are in Coca-Cola at today's stock price, this company would be worth $174 billion. The PE ratio, you'll need to research and find out what that is. And then here's kind of a graph, and you can change what the graph is for that. We can look and see what it was at for 5 years. So that's how we find out the buy price for stocks, and you can see what the stock has done over the number of years.